crater. Remember, the crater is a bowl-like shape, so it's going to have hills all around it, leading into a hole in like the bowl you eat cereal. So the first thing we're going to need to do is add our hills again. Select our hill tool. This time we're rising up the land in the shape of a square. Okay, so you want the land in the middle to be a lot lower. Make the land nice and high around the outsides. And leave a hole in the middle. So that's just right clicking or left clicking using the hill button. And just to make sure it's nice and low in the middle, we will then left click in the middle, and it brings all of the hills down inside the middle. Again, we want the rover to be able to drive onto the hill. So we need to make the surface nice and smooth. So we can again take our smooth tool, which is to the right-hand side of the hill. I'm going to increase the size of my pointer by using the right arrow key. Make this a little bit quicker. And then if we left click on that, it will begin to smooth out our crater. Make it a little smaller again and finish off the last few parts. Okay, and then you can see your crater here in the middle. So if I use my hand, I can move the screen around. See there that we've got a nice crater, which is just like a bowl. So you need to add a second one. So you need to have two craters and one hill. So we created our hill in the first video, created our crater here. You need to add a second one. I'm not going to add it. I'm going to let you do that. And then I'm going to add in my objects as well. So the objects you need to add are a rover, a Sputnik, a push pad, 5 igneous rocks, and 6 sedimentary rocks. So if you choose your objects tool, left click on it, come to the map wherever you want to place your objects. So I'm going to left click on the map. First object I'm going to add is the rover. So you can see your rover is added in. If I left click again, I'm going to add in my Sputnik this time, down to the bottom right hand corner. And in the bottom left, you will see Sputnik. Okay, and again, left click on your terrain, go back to where you found Sputnik, and to the right hand side of Sputnik, you will see the push pad. So we'll add in a push pad. So we've got a push pad, Sputnik, and the rover. Now we just need to add in our rocks. So again, left click on the terrain, click on rock. I'm going to add an igneous rock, one of them into the crater. So we need to add 5 of these. 3, 4, and 5. And then we're going to add 6 sedimentary rocks. So again, right click on your terrain where you want to place it, click on rock, and this time we're going to choose sedimentary rocks. So you're adding 6 of these. And after this, we'll move on to coding. 4, 5, and 6.